Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure the controller has juice and is connected via USB-C. This prevents pairing interruptions. Power on the Ps5 and sign into your account so system settings are available. Once done, navigate to Settings, then Accessories. That's where color controls live. You're skipping basic setup and moving straight into the interface because changing the light requires an active console profile. Keep the controller connected until the system confirms the new settings, to avoid losing the color change midway. Next, go into Settings, Accessories, Controllers, and find Light Bar Settings. This is the control hub. You can pick a preset color or use the RGB slider when offered to fine-tune hue and brightness. Sliders give more precise control, while presets are faster. Make your selection and press Apply. The system writes the preference to the controller profile. Then test the color in the dashboard, and a game to confirm it appears correctly under different lighting, because in-game effects can alter perceived brightness and tone. Finally, disconnect the USB to confirm the color sticks in wireless mode. Some settings only take after a restart. If the color won't save, perform a controller reset using the small pinhole on the back for 5 seconds, then repair. This clears firmware glitches. If the light remains unresponsive, test another controller or user profile to isolate the issue. As a troubleshooting tip, make sure system software is updated. Outdated firmware often prevents settings from applying correctly, so update before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.